This is a tutorial on how to use the LED digital magnetic hot plate stirrer. The first step is to turn on the machine, which comes on the on and off button. There are dual LED digital display and 3D digital wheels. The machine comes with special plastic casing and ceramic hot plate. The temperature has a max of 280 degrees Celsius. Simply scroll on the wheel to your desired temperature and press on the wheel to start the heating process. The right-hand side controls the stir speed instead and has a max of 1,500 RPM. The temperature will slowly increase to the temperature you have set. If you want to know if the stir speed is on, there will be a subtle ringing noise. The machine also warns you if the ceramic hot plate is hot. Give it a little hover to see if it has warmed up. Now you'll grab your glassware and make sure your magnetic stir bar is inside. You can mix any liquid using this machine, but I'll be using a blue dye as a demo. Now it's time to start stirring. Again, you can rotate the wheels to adjust your temperature and stir speed. There's also a maximum mixing capacity of 5,000 milliliters. The magnetic stir bar will then stir vigorously depending on the stir speed you have set. This test is a stir speed of the max 1500. You can manually adjust the stir speed while it is on to slow down this stirring process. Once you turn it off, your mixture should be mixed thoroughly. Keep in mind that the hot plate can be steaming hot depending on the temperature you have set. I would definitely advise to put it on a side for it to cool down. And that's pretty much it. You can use it for kitchen recipes, laboratory samples, scientific research, and lab experiments. You can visit our Eklabsupply store at eklabsupply.com for further details.